because this is first time the Tripura people who are living here permanently or temporarily.
Yeah, today's program is a good program. I enjoy the program, the food, everything. There's a good number of people are coming here.
I am the Vice President of the Northeast Welfare Association. I am pretty happy today. They have their own association, Tripura. So I was working with them for a long time, to form this kind of association. I was helping them out.
First summit of the Tripura people, and it is indeed a great beginning.
Hope you all guys are doing well and enjoying the program, right? I just wanted to ask you only to use your ears, not your mouth during my speech.